Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you facing weak Wi-Fi signals at home? In this video, learn how to set up the Alink WiFi Range Extender using the WPS push-button method step by step. This beginner-friendly guide explains every setup point in detail so you can connect your extender easily without technical knowledge. The Alink WiFi Extender helps increase your router's wireless coverage and improves internet connectivity in low-signal areas. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, take the Alink WiFi Range Extender out of the box and plug it into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. It is important to place the extender close to the router during the first setup process because the signal strength will be stronger and the connection will complete faster. Look for the WPS button on your router. It is usually located on the back or side panel. The button may be labeled WPS or have a circular arrow icon. Press the WPS button on your router. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking. This means the router is searching for devices to connect. Important, after pressing the router's WPS button, you have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. Now go to the Alink WiFi Extender and press its WPS button once. After pressing, the Wi-Fi/WPS indicator light on the extender will begin blinking. The extender will automatically search for your router network. It will copy the router's wireless settings automatically. This process usually takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Do not unplug the extender during this process. Once the extender connects successfully, the signal light or Wi-Fi light becomes solid. Some Alink models may show green, blue, or stable signal LEDs. This means the extender is now connected to your router. Your Wi-Fi coverage has been extended successfully. If the light keeps blinking or turns red, move the extender closer to the router. Reset the extender and try the setup again. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.